Today, I would like to discuss four things. These might be the suggestions for the students. The first thing is self confidence. The first thing is self confidence. The people who have self confidence, they are thinking about the possibilities and they think that they have got abilities and talent. They also handle criticism and face the challenges of life with optimism and positivity. So you must know that you have got potentials, you have got skills, and you can use these skills and potentials in order to benefit people and society. So you must be self confident. You must not be defeated because people are going to criticize you, and you should know how to handle that criticism, how to face the challenges of life, and don't regret. Trust yourself, believe whatever you are, whatever you have, and believe this fact that one day you will contribute to the society, you will benefit other people. So you must be self confident. You must not be diffident. You must be self confident. So your confidence will take you somewhere, and you should be confident that one day you will contribute positively. You will progress. You will achieve success. The second thing I would like to talk about, that is creativity. The people who are creative, they think about possibilities, probabilities, assumptions, and they think that one day they will get success. They put efforts. They find reasons behind happenings of the things. They always ask why, how. They don't restrict themselves. They are imaginative. They connect themselves to the world. They connect themselves to the universe. They are imaginative, they are motivated, and they are communicative. So creative people always think about solution of the problems, possibilities, in which way they can contribute, and how things are happening. When you find reasons behind happenings of the things, when you know the reasons, when you know the logic, you will become creative. So creativity is a good thing in you. You must be creative. You must contemplate and think over certain ideas and concepts. So you must not restrict yourself what is going on, and you must not take things for granted. You must know the reason. You must know the logic. So there is always logic and reason behind happenings of the thing, occurrences of the thing, and you must know about that. So you must be innovative, you must be creative, and you must not restrict yourself. You must be imaginative, you must have good observation. The third thing I would like to emphasize, that is effective communication. Effective communication. I know my students, they are good at mathematics, they are good at physics, they are good at many subjects. But what is the lacking? What is the thing that they lack? They cannot communicate whatever they know. This is the main drawback with the students. You must, whatever you know about physics, you know about mathematics, you know about English, you must exchange your ideas with others. Whatever you know, you must tell others. You must discuss and you must have your point of view. When you try to speak up, in the first place, you feel that you can't speak up. You are hesitant. You feel shyness. But one day, whenever you have got habit of that, one day you feel that you have to communicate your ideas, because when you communicate your ideas you will be satisfied. So whatever you know certain things, you know many things, and you discuss those things with your colleagues. You discuss those ideas, the concepts you have with your uh, colleagues, friends. So effective communication in the sense that whenever you know something and you discuss with others and other people know your ideas very well, you are effective in communication. Now, fourth thing I would like to emphasize, that is character building. Character building. This is the main thing in life. You must have manners, set of standards. You must be polite, you must be positive, you must be considerate, you must not be harsh and bitter to others. Because character building, it is about manners you have. From where these manners come? Religion teaches you the manners. Your culture, your society teaches you the manners. You must have manners. You must not violate these manners. So I can quote Holy Quran over here. In Surah Hujurat, Allah says to believers, don't raise your voices above the voice of the Prophet. Don't speak loudly as you do to one another, or all your deeds will be null and void. So it means that the Allah teaches believers how to respect the Prophet. Or there is you know the life of our Prophet is greater compassion. He was considerate. He was kind. So we must be kind to other people. We must have manners. So we must be considerate to others. We must have compassion. Now, these are the four things I would like to stress on. Thank you.